The third defining image that I'm bringing to you today is the unending hospital horror. We got it for you yesterday. I've got a lot of response from all of you. Now is part two. Shortage of beds, oxygen cylinders, health infrastructure absolutely crumbling. And this is happening in a place near you. It's not far away. Take a look.
This is the sound you hear now in almost every hospital. Families sobbing as they lost their loved ones to the coronavirus. This is the family of an ex-serviceman who died at the hospital doorstep. He waited for hours for help, for medical intervention, but nobody came. He passed away at the door in the scorching sun.
बोले भी कि पापा को अंदर एडमिट कर दीजिए, उसके बाद जो करना, तो धूप में छोड़ दिए पापा को। हम बोले थे कि अंदर कर दीजिए, धूप में बहुत लो हो गया पूरा। लास्ट में पापा हमारे नहीं।
This tragic scene played out as the Bihar Health Minister visited the hospital and the group of senior doctors was busy accompanying the minister.
बेहतर स्वास्थ्य सुविधा देने का कोशिश और प्रयास हो रहा है। अस्पतालों में निश्चित रूप से विगत कुछ दिनों में अचानक से संख्या बढ़ी है और इसीलिए स्वास्थ्य सुविधाओं को बढ़ाने का लगातार प्रयास हम सब कर रहे हैं।
मंत्री जी यहाँ पे डॉक्टर चिल्लाते रह गए, डॉक्टर चिल्लाते रह गए, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं आया, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं आया।
Unfortunately, you can hear these cries for help outside almost every single hospital right now. And this tells you better than any statistic that our healthcare system is crumbling amid the second COVID wave. There are no ambulances left, and that is why bodies of COVID patients were transported in a garbage truck in Chhattisgarh's Rajnandagaon. There are no hospital beds, and that is why this 70-year-old man was administered oxygen in his car in Lucknow.
The major problem is of ventilator beds. Many patients are requiring ventilators, but the ventilators are not available in adequate quantity. So what basic issue is, whenever some patient is very bad, it is very difficult for us to manage that patient on emergency basis.
But can we really blame hospitals? Our healthcare workers are working round the clock, putting their lives at risk to accommodate patients. And that is why hospitals now are bursting at the seams with patients being taken care of even in the lobby. Meanwhile, the administration has another issue to address, and that is vaccine security. Amid reports of vaccine shortage, batch of 320 doses of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has been stolen from a hospital in Jaipur.
वहाँ से वैक्सीन की वायल चोरी होना एक बड़ी घटना है। संबंधित अधीक्षक को जांच के निर्देश भी दिए कि जांच करके बताएं कि संबंधित कौन दोषी है, उसके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई शुरू की जाएगी, ऑफिशियल कार्रवाई शुरू की जाएगी और उसके खिलाफ जिसने चुराया उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर लॉन्च कराने के निर्देशित कर दिया गया है।
Amid the monster COVID surge, our hospitals are struggling to cope. Countless lives have been lost due to lack of apathy and due to clear negligence. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.